Hi everyone, and welcome to this day 12 of C Bootcamp. Today we'll learn how to manipulate files in C. You'll see how to open a file, close it, read from it, or write in it. Let's start with the concept of a file descriptor. When you ask your system to open a file, it returns a file descriptor. A file descriptor is an integer. The system keeps in memory some sort of table which associates every file descriptor opened by a process with a file. When you get this file descriptor, you can use it to manipulate the file. Look at this example. My program asks the system to open the file name readme, the system descriptor, and returns the file descriptor 42. Now I can refer to fd42 to manipulate this file. You have probably already used file descriptors, maybe without knowing it, especially in the ft_putchar function, which you must know very well by now. This function allows you to write your character in fd1. If you read the man for write, you'll learn that the first parameter is a file descriptor. A file descriptor 1, which is part of a set called standard file descriptors. There are three standard file descriptors: fd0 or stdin, which is your standard input. For example, when you type on your keyboard in your shell, you are using the standard input. fd1 or stdout is the standard output. Think of the characters displayed in your shell. Like when you use putchar, fd2 or stderr is the error output, which is also displayed in your shell. This concludes the introduction. In the next video, we'll learn how to open and close a file.